Hi guys, today me and Waylon are going to do an unboxing, and this is my friend Waylon. Hello! I'm James, so I'm going to get the first one. A blue ticket. Why is it even like green?
This is like a blue little bear guy with
it's
a
called
green
Sky.
green.
See, that is green right here.
Yeah, I know.
Foster, the shapeshifter. We're gonna put this at
3,
4.
3 or 4.
4. Yeah, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh yeah, I see.
Okay. I hope I get a really good one. Yay! I like this guy because he's a little son and he's super happy. He's going. What do you think we should put him?
Like this is it's like a very like it has like for some reason it looks like it has like looks like a part of its mouth is like gone, and plus the eyes are a bit too like long. So I guess we should just put out like 3.
Okay. There we go. Your turn. Do I want to put the best one?
What is this?
No, the best. He got the tree.
That's not the tree. What is this? Yo.
Oh my god. His eyes.
Scares me so bad.
No.
I think his eyes are the one that makes the music, right? Because he's like.
We're moving everything up 1 tier to put this at the very back. This is 5. This is gonna be 4. This is 3, 2.
The winners are here, so.
Yep.
Alright. Your turn.
Oh, this guy. I don't want to. Imagine if we put another one of him. Okay. This is a pink person. I'm pretty sure that he's really close friends with Red. I think that you should put it as
4-ish.
4.
4.5. I don't know how that works, but sure. 4.5. Now, the number 1. I'm not gonna.
Please don't give a good. Please don't give a very bad one. Don't give a very bad one.
And I don't see it yet, but I'm gonna just say that it's gonna look very good. But if it doesn't, then I don't know. So.
I'm scared. I don't know what. I don't know what. Yay! I love this kid.
I mean, he isn't bad. He's just like,
He looks so cute.
he has a pot on his head.
That's a bucket. Now put him in number 1 tier.
So
Okay, so
that was our unboxing.
at the end, this is all the people that we got.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.